Last already, okay. So for the gamma, all value power of 1 minus gamma. Okay. So right click, create shader graph, URP lead. So we call it as a gamma. Okay, take it out. So for the gamma, add the texture as well. Textures 2D. Okay, texture 2D asset. Okay, you put it here. Select this. Okay, so for this one is all value power of 1 minus gamma. So we come out with the subtraction first, and then this is our gamma value, so we put it as a float. Okay, so put it here, and our gamma value may be 0.5, and we convert to property, so we rename it as gamma. Okay, so the subtraction of this part done. Okay, this part done. So now we need to power. So this value need to power. So we power. So power is this one B here, our outcome here. Okay, so we put this one here, rearrange. So this is the old value power of this. So now we connected to our base color, and this is our gamma value. Okay, so you can close it. Okay, we make this one group selection, and we can call it as a gamma. And this one we convert to properties. Okay, save it. Okay, then you close it. After that, for your gamma, okay, right click, create material. So we can have a gamma, and we put to our scene. So now this is our scene. We have a gamma values already. So we can adjust our gamma value 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 0.1, 0.2, because it's a power, so when you make it as 1, it will become white already. Okay, 0.5. So this is the gamma value.